Intermittent fasting is an eating pattern where you cycle between eating and not eating, and that's fasting. There are a lot of different kinds, and a lot of people have asked me, Maria, have you had any experience? Absolutely. So I will be having 3 different tutorials. This tutorial is focused mainly on the benefits of fasting. I will be doing one, how do you know if fasting is working for you? And I will be giving you step by step, and also of all the different kinds of fasting. So that is amazing. And the third one is on reaching autophagy. And I'm sure that that is a buzzing word, and it's so amazing to be able to stick with intermittent fasting. So you will see by the end of this tutorial how amazing it is if you can do it. So how many hours should you be fasting? 12 hours? 13 hours, 15 hours, 16, 20 hours, 24 hours. There is all different kinds, and that is my next tutorial. However, if you want to start with a fasting, 12 hours is just you're preparing your body. It's almost like you're setting up the stage. So the fasting, it starts after the 12 hours. So if you're skipping breakfast, that you're able to do at least 15 hours of fasting and drink a lot of water, have herbal teas or black coffee. Then you would have your first meal, let's say around noon. If you're doing 16 to 18 hours, that is amazing, because now you are getting into of the cleansing portion. If you're able to do 20 hours, so now that means you have only a 4-hour window that you are eating. So let's say you are finishing eating at 8 o'clock at night. You're fasting all night while you're sleeping, so that's easy. In the morning you get up and you have your black coffee or tea and water. At noontime you're having only water, but your first meal would be at 4 p.m. So between 4 and 8, that's when you can eat. So very quickly, if this is your first time on my channel, my name is Maria, and welcome to Aglaia Aesthetics Online. I am an aesthetics instructor, and I have done a lot of fasting, so I can give you this information. I do training, online training for estheticians, for personal knowledge, or to become certified. Give me comments below. Love to connect with you. You tell me, what type of fasting do you do? And after we do this tutorial, you can give me more information. So remember to give me, if you like this, give me thumbs up. Click on the notification bell so you will miss none of my educational tutorials. So let's get started. Here are the 10 benefits of intermittent fasting. Number 1, changes the function of hormones, cells, and genes. When you don't eat for a while, several things happen in your body. For example, your body changes hormone levels to make store body fat more accessible and initiates important cellular repair processes. Some of the changes that occur in your body during fasting. So first of all, your insulin level, your blood levels of insulin drop significantly, which facilitate fat burning. Now another one is human growth hormone, the HGH. The blood levels of human growth hormone may increase dramatically. Higher level of this hormone facilitate fat burning and muscle gain. A lot of people say, oh, Maria, if I fast, I lose my muscle. No, absolutely not. Cellular repair. The body induces important cellular repair processes, such as removing waste material from the cells. Now, also, if you do intermittent fasting, it will help with weight loss and visceral fat. You know, the pouch in the front that never goes away? Intermittent fasting enhances hormone function to facilitate weight loss. Lower insulin level, higher HGH level, and increased amount of the norepinephrine all increase the breakdown of body fat and facilitate its use for energy, For this reason, short-term fasting actually increases your metabolic rate, helping you burn even more calories. You fast for at least 16 hours a day, and you have an 8-hour window to eat. Of course, if you want to do more, to push yourself to 16 hours or 18 hours or 20 hours, the more you can do it, the better it is. Number 3, can reduce insulin resistance, lowering your risk of type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes has become a very common diagnosis in recent decades. Anything that reduces insulin resistance should help lower blood sugar levels and protect against this type of diabetes. Number 4, can reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Oxidative stress is one of the steps towards aging and many chronic diseases. It involves unstable molecules called free radicals. Free radicals causes so much damage into our DNA and totally damages everything. Additionally, studies have shown that intermittent fasting can help fight inflammation, another key driver of many common diseases. Number 5, may be beneficial for heart health. Any heart disease is a current world's biggest killer. It's known that various health markers, so-called risk factors, are associated with either an increased or decreased risk of heart diseases. Number 6, induces various cellular repair process. When we fast, the cells in the body initiates cellular waste removal called autophagy. And I will be doing a tutorial on that. Number 7, may help prevent cancer. Cancer is characterized by uncontrolled growth of cells. Fasting has been shown to have several beneficial effects on metabolism that may lead to reduced risk of cancer. Number 8, has benefits for your brain. Fasting also increases level of a brain hormone called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or also BDNF. A BDNF deficiency has been implicated in depression and various other brain problems. Number 9, may help prevent Alzheimer's disease. There's no cure currently available for this disease, so preventing it from showing up is the first place is so critical. Studies in rats and mice show that intermittent fasting may delay the onset of Alzheimer's or reduce its severity. So it's never too late, but it is essential that you start intermittent fasting as soon as possible. Number 10, may extend your lifespan, helping you live longer. One of the most exciting applications of intermittent fasting may be its ability to extend lifespan. Given the known benefit for metabolism and all the sorts of health markers, fasting would help you live longer and healthier lives. What is autophagy? I will be discussing in details the benefits in my next video. However, autophagy is a process by which your cells digest, replace, or recycle old or damaged parts. As you go through life, your cells accumulate damage from oxidative stress. So what can I eat while I am with my intermittent fasting? During the time when you're not eating, is water and 0-calorie beverages such as black coffee and herbal teas are permitted. And I do drink myself a lot of herbal teas because the herbs have no calories, but somehow it curbs the hunger, and it actually helps me not to crave the sugars. Now, during your eating periods, eat normally. Does not mean that you're going to go crazy. You're not likely to lose weight or get healthier if you pack your feeding times with high calories, junk food, fast food, supersized fries and sodas and treats. No. So while you have those 4 hours or 6 hours or 8 hours eating periods, eat normally. You can eat anything you want in moderation. What I personally like about intermittent fasting is that it allows for a range of different foods to be eaten and enjoyed. So if you would like to have a piece of pizza with a salad, go ahead. Be mindful and take pleasure in eating good, nutritious food. The Mediterranean diet has a really good blueprint of what to eat, whether you're trying intermittent fasting or not. You can hardly go wrong with the pick of complex, unrefined carbohydrates such as whole grains, leafy greens, healthy fats, and lean proteins. So I would like to know from you, from these 10 different benefits, which one do you like? Well, for me, is feeling great, feeling my mind is not foggy, losing the visceral fat, and looking good and having firm muscles. Those are the things that are so important for myself. Look for my next 2 tutorials to know how do I know if I'm getting the benefits from all this intermittent fasting and the autophagy. So how long will you fast? Tell me that also down below. What is the reason you want to experience intermittent fasting? By choosing 2 or more reasons listed in this video. Let me know below. I hope that you found this video to be useful. I think you will. And walk away with simple and easy tips on how to clear your body from toxins, repair your body, and clear your skin naturally. Yeah, especially for individuals that have acne. Remember to treat yourself with love and respect. Until the next time, take care.
Thank you.